Good morning students. In the previous class, we see some formula of mean and variance. We already see the two problem. The two problem involve the discrete random variable. Now we continue the problem. Now you see the first one. For the random variable x with the probability mass function as below, you see the question, find the mean and variance. The question will be asked in general, but the given one is not a probability mass function, it is a probability density function, because 1 less than x less than 2, it has some value. Otherwise f of x value is 0, where otherwise means suppose the value of x is less than 1 and the value of x is more than 2, f of x value is defined as 0. Now to find the mean and variance of these variables. Now I indicate the f of x is follows a continuous random variable. So first I write the formula of mean. The symbol of mean is e of x. It follows a continuous random variable. So the formula is integral minus infinity to plus infinity x into f of x dx. So first we write the formula. Then the limit will be changed depending upon our given step. You see here x lies between 1 to 2. We already tell in a continuous random variable less than is nothing but less than or is equal. So minus infinity to up to 1, f of x value is 0. 1 to 2, f of x value is possible. And 2 to infinity again, the value becomes 0. It's the first sum for our understanding, right? I split the given integral as minus infinity to 1, f of x dx, plus 1 to 2, x into f of x dx. Here also 1x, plus 2 to infinity, x into f of x. No need the term for our understanding. I split the single integral become a 3 integrals. What is the meaning to split the 3 integrals? In this interval minus infinity to 1, our f of x value is defined as 0. Minus infinity to 1, x already. But in this interval f of x value is 0. So 0 into dx plus 1 to 2 x. But in 1 to 2, f of x is defined as, from the interval 1 to 2, f of x is defined as 2 into x minus 1. So in this interval, the value of f of x is 2 into x minus 1 into dx plus again 2 to infinity x. If the value of x is more than 2, here also f of x value is defined as 0. So 0 to anything is always 0, so you leave this 2 interval. Now we consider the middle interval only. In the middle interval you see x into 2 of x minus 1. Here 2 is a constant. So I will take outside first of all 2. 1 to 2, remaining x of x minus 1 into dx. 2, integral 1 to 2. I multiply x inside. We get x square minus x of dx. 2 lies outside. Now we integrate. The integrating of x square is x cubed by 3 minus 1 is the integrating of x is x square by 2 using the formula of x power n, x power n plus 1 by n, x power n plus 1 by n plus 1. And also we substitute the limiter 1 to 2. We know very well how to substitute the limit. First we apply the upper limit minus the lower limit. But the number outside 2 is there. 2 of, the upper limit is 2. So to substitute here, 2 cube by 3 minus 2 square by 2. So upper limit is 12 minus the lower limit minus 2 of, what is the lower limit? 1. So 1 cube by 3 minus 1 square by 2. 2 of, the value of 2 cube is 8 by 3 minus 4 by 2. The value of 2 square is 4. Minus 2 of, the value of 1 cube is 1 minus the value of 1 square is also 1. The simplification is your choice. You will simplify anywhere. First of all, I multiply suppose 2 inside. So I get 16 by 3. Okay, 16 by 3 minus 8 by 2. There is a chance to cancel. But I will be taking some LCM process. So I don't cancel anyone. Directly I multiply 2 inside. Or we will be take 2 outside also. Is your choice. I multiply 2 inside. So 16 by 3 minus 8 by 2. Here I multiply minus 2 inside. So minus 2 by 3. Minus into minus is plus 2 by 2. You see this 2 number. In this 2 number, the denominator 3 is common. Then we have the numerator is 16 minus 2 by 3. 16 minus 2. And you see in this 2 number, 2 is common. Plus whole divided by 2. First I write the positive number. 2 minus 8. 16 minus 2 is 14 by 3. Plus and minus is a minus 6 by 2. 2 minus 8 is a minus 6 by 2. Then taking LCM, or here some cancellation is possible. So 14 by 3 minus 3. We cross multiply. There is a chance. So when we cross multiply, we get 14 minus 3 3 is 9 whole divided by 3. So E of x, that is the value of mean is 14 minus 9 is 5 by 3. So E of x value is 5 by 3. Next we find the value of E of x square. Actually we find the variance, but the formula of variance is E of x square minus E of x the whole square. So to find E of x square, formula is minus infinity to plus infinity x square into f of x dx. Next, in first subdivision E of x also, we will elaborate. The interval is become 1 to 2. Because in this interval only f of x some value, all the remaining interval f of x value is 0. So the limit minus infinity to plus infinity becomes 1 to 2 x square. In this interval f of x is defined as 2 of x minus 1 into dx. First of all, I will take outside 2. Outside 2 and 1 to 2. What is the remaining? Is x square of x minus 1 into dx. 2. Integral 1 to 2. Multiply x square inside. X square into x. X is cube. Minus x square into dx. So 2 of the integrating of x cube is x power 4 by 4 minus the integrating of x square is x cube by 3. The limit 1 to 2. Same. We substitute first of all the upper limit minus the lower limit. So 2 of, what is upper limit? 2. I directly write the value is a 2 power 4. The value of 2 power 4. 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8, 8 to the 16. So 16 by 4. Minus. Here also to substitute the, in place of x is 2. 2 cube. The value of 2 cube is 8. So 8 by 3. Minus of the lower limit. Minus 2 of. The lower limit is 1. We replace x by 1. 1 power 4 is 1. So 1 by 4. Minus 1 cube is also 1. So 1 by 4 minus 1 by 3. Next, in both the term, I will take outside 2. The simplification is your choice. You simplify any manner. I will take outside 2. And also some cancellation is possible here, so I cancel. So 4 minus 8 by 3. I already take outside 2, but one minus sign is very important. So minus 1 by 4. Minus into minus is plus 1 by 3. I will take outside 2. 4 times minus 8 by 3. Minus 1 by 4, minus and minus is plus 1 by 3. 2. Here there is no cancellation is possible, but we simplify some term. 4 minus 1 by 4. You see in this 2 term, the denominator is a 3. So you add the numerator. Minus 8 plus 1 actually. So minus 7 by 3. So 2 of, what is the LCM of the denominator? One is a 4 and another one is a 3. The LCM of the denominator is 12. 4 3s are 12. So I'll be taking the LCM is 12. But the first time there is no denominator, but our LCM is 12. So you multiply 12 to the numerator, 4 12s are 48. Minus 1 is the minus 4, but our LCM is 12. So multiply 3 to the numerator, so minus 3. Minus 3 is the LCM is 12. So you multiply 4 to the numerator, 4 7s are 28. Outside 2 is there, I keep 2. 2 of 48 minus 28 minus 3. Both are in same symbol, so minus 31 by 12. 31 by 12. Now there is a chance to cancel the second table. I cancel. So I get the numerator is 48 minus 31. 48, 31, 7. 8 minus 1 is 7. And 4 minus 3 is 1, 17. 17. What is the value of the denominator? We cancel in the second table. So 6. So E of x square value is 17 by 6. Next, we write the formula of variance. The symbol of variance is VAR of x or just V of x. Whose formula is exponential of x square minus exponential of x the whole square. E of x square minus E of x the whole square. E of x square value is 17 by 6 minus E of x is nothing but mean. We already find the value of mean. The value of mean is 5 by 3. But squares are needed. E of x value is 5 by 3, but square is there. So 17 by 6 minus, we'll be taking the square. So 25 by 3 square value is 9. Here also there will be two processes. Either we will be taking a cross multiplication or both are in the same table taking LCM. Now what is the LCM of 6 and 9? The LCM of 6 and 9 is 18. So 18. But the first term denominator is 6. In which number we multiply 6? We get 18. 3. So the number is multiplied to the numerator. 17 of 3 minus 25 of, in which number multiply to get 18 of 9? The number is 2. So the number 2 is multiplied in numerator. 17 3s are 17 3s are 51 minus 25 2s are 50 by 18. So V of x, the value is 1 by 18. Therefore, in result, first we find the mean. The symbol of mean is E of x. That value is 5 by 3. Next to find variance, whose symbol is VAR of x or just V of x. So the value of the variance is 1 by 18. Now we move the fourth subdivision. F of x has two values of e power minus x by 2 for x is greater than 0 and 0 is otherwise. The otherwise means suppose the value of x is equal to 0 or less than 0, f of x value is defined as 0. Now you come to one conclusion. Here f of x is a probability mass function or a probability density function. It is a probability density function. For x is greater than 0 means it may be the value of x is 1, 2, 3. What is the last value? It go up to infinity. So it is a probability density function. The question is same, to find the mean and variance. So first we identify the given function is false, either discrete or continuous. Suppose we identify it false in continuous, then we write the formula. The formula of mean. The symbol is E of x and whose formula is minus infinity to plus infinity x into f of x dx. So it is a formula. In next step, I split the interval minus infinity to plus infinity as minus infinity to 0 x into f of x dx plus 0 to infinity. Single integral become two integral. From minus infinity to 0 and 0 to infinity x into f of x dx. What is the reason to split, sir? Because in this interval f of x is defined as the value of x is otherwise means less than 0. F of x value is defined as 0. Minus infinity to 0 x. In this interval f of x is defined as 0 into dx. Plus 0 to infinity x. When x is greater than 0, f of x is defined as 1 by 2 e power minus x by 2 is the value of f of x into dx. 0 to anything is always 0. Now you see in this integral, one constant is there. The constant is 1 by 2. When we integrate some terms, some constant is there, we will be take outside the constants. Now we will be take outside the constant 1 by 2. So remaining, we will be take outside 1 by 2, 0 to infinity, x. And I write e power minus x by 2 as e power minus 1 by 2 into x. E power minus x by 2 as e power minus 1 by 2 into x. You see the integral? We already see the same kind of the integral. You see the integral lower limit is x is 0, upper limit is infinity. Some x power n into e power minus ax. I remain the formula. 0 to infinity x power n e power minus ax into dx. The formula is n factorial divided by a power n plus 1. We use the same formula in 2 or 3 times in the previous sums. Exactly 0 to infinity x power n and e power minus ax. Now compare the formula to our given sum. In place of n, x power is a value of n. X power nothing, so 1 is understood. And a, e power minus ax, e power minus 1 by 2 into x. So in place of a here, 1 by 2. Now we substitute the formula here, but important, outside of the integration 1 by 2 constant lies. So first 1 by 2. Next we use the formula. The formula of this integration is start from n factorial. The value of n, 1. So 1 factorial divided by a power n plus 1. The value of a is 1 by 2. Power n plus 1. The value of n is also here. 1 plus 1. Of the value of 1 factorial is 1. 1 by 2 whole square. 1 by 2. 1 plus 1 is 2. Now we cancel here also, we cancel. Or we simplify, we get 1 by 2. 1 divided by 1 by 4 I write. The value of 1 by 2 the whole square is 1 by 4. You see this 4 lies in denominator. So this denominator goes to the numerator. So it becomes 1 by 2 of just 4. This 4 goes to numerator. We cancel in the second table. So e of x value is 2. That is the value of the mean is 2. Next to find the variance. If you need a variance, first of all to find e of x square. The formula is minus infinity to plus infinity x square into f of x dx. We already find out the limits. So here also we split minus infinity to plus infinity as minus infinity to 0. So in this interval f of x value is 0. We leave. Plus 0 to infinity x square. In this interval, how to define f of x? The value of f of x is defined as 1 by 2 of e power minus x by 2 into dx. What is the next step? Same. It will be take outside the constant 1 by 2. 0 to infinity x square. We write e power minus x by 2 as e power minus 1 by 2 into x into dx. So 1 by 2 of, we already write the formula of the shape. We already write, it is of the form 0 to infinity x power n into e power minus ax dx. So the formula is n factorial. The value of n is x power. So 2 factorial. Divided by a power n plus 1. The value of a is 1 by 2. 1 by 2, whose power is a power n plus 1. The value of n is 2. So 2 plus 1. Using the same previous formula of this one, a power n plus 1, the value of a is 1 by 2 and power n is 2 here. So 1 by 2. The value of 2 factorial is 2 by 1 by 2 the whole cube. 1 by 2 the whole cube. Now I cancel this 2 first of all. Is a cancelled. So numerator is 1 divided by the value of 1 by 2 the whole cube is a 1 by 8. So this 8 goes to the numerator. So e of x square value is just 8. So we find e of x square also. Next we find the variance. Symbol v of x, formula e of x square minus e of x the whole square. E of x square, we find the value of e of x square is 8 minus the value of the mean. We already find the value of the mean is 2, so 2 square 8 minus the value of 2 square is 4. So v of x is 8 minus 4 is 4. The question is same to find the mean and variance. So mean e of x is equal to 2 and the variance symbol is v of x, the value of the variance is 4. Now we move the second question. This is some word is given. 2 balls are drawn in succession without replacement. The word is very important, without replacement. From an hand containing 4 red balls and 3 black balls. One hand, that is one kind of vessel is there. Will be take 2 balls. Out of there will be some 4 red balls and 3 black balls without replacement. That means if you take one ball, the ball it may be red or black. Then the ball is put outside of the hand. Then it will take one more ball. So it is the concept of the without replacement. That is one ball is already taken. The ball cannot be put again the same vessel. Then the question is, let x be the possible outcomes of drawing the red ball. Suppose we assume the success is getting a red ball. Then find the probability mass function and also to find the mean. There will be 2 questions. The first one is a probability mass function and also it is a mean. Do you identify is false in a discrete or a continuous? It is a discrete. Because we will be take how many balls? Just 2 balls. The success is outcomes of red ball. What is the maximum number of red ball? Total number of red ball is 4. So maximum value is 4 only possible. Therefore is a probability mass function is false, the discrete random variable. In the question also given to find the probability mass function. To find a probability mass function, what is the first step? To find the values of the random variable. The next step, to find the probability of each and every random variables. So first we find the sample base and also the word without replacement is there. So the simplification process is easy using a combination method. We already see how to take the combination method in 11th standard. Whenever the word without replacement in a probability, it's better to solve the problem by using the method of a combination. That is NCR this time. Okay, first, what is the total number of red balls? The total number of red balls containing 4 red balls. So red balls is 4. What is the total number of black balls? And 3 black balls. So black balls. What is the total number of balls? 4 plus 3 is 7. So the hand, that is one kind of vessel, is totally having, there will be a 7 ball. Now if we take out of the 7 ball, we take 1 by 1, there will be 2 balls. Suppose it may be a red ball, what is the probability? That is the question. So first, the total number of red balls is 4. Next, where x denote, first we will take the name of the random variable. The symbol is always x. Let x denote the number of outcomes of drawing the red balls. Important is red ball. So let x denote the number of red ball. Out of 2 red balls is enough the line. Or for understanding, you write elaborate red balls when 2 balls are drawn. Let x denote the number of red balls when 2 balls are drawn. We will be taking just 2 balls. Here the number of red ball symbol is x. Then this x is called here. Then x is a random variable which can take the values of the random variables are very important. We already did. What is the values of the random variable x? X denote the number of red balls out of 2 red balls. Ideal one possible event is a 0. 0 means both the balls is not red, that is black. 1, that means you will be taking out of 2 balls, one is red and another one is black. Last one is 2, that is both the balls are red. So these are the possibilities. Except these 3 possibilities, no one is possible because we will be taking just 2 balls. So these are the values of the random variable. Now to find the probability of each and every random variable values. First, what is the random variable value? 0. P of x is equal to 0. For understanding, I write probability of no red ball. So P of x is equal to 0. I find the value using the combination. You know every probability value. P of a formula is n of a by n of s. So first I write the total number of sample base. 7C2 I write. In denominator I write 7C2. So how it is 7C2? What is the total number of balls? The total number of balls is 7. Out of 7 we will take how many balls? 2 balls. So 7C2. In numerator, first we assume there is no red balls. So what is the total number of red ball? The total number of red ball is 4. C, we assume there is no red ball. So 4C is 0. The process is continuous at a time, so int, multiplication process. So both the ball is not red, that means both the ball in black. Out of how many black balls? There will be 3. C2. So this is the combination process. So 4C is 0 into 3C2 by 7C2. Here what is the reason to put 4C 0? Out of 4 red ball, we assume there is no red ball. That means out of 3 black balls, there will be 2 will come. We already know the value of 4C is 0. The value is always 1. The value of 3C2, 3 into 2 by 1 into 2, whole divided by the value of 7C2, 7 into 6 by 1 into 2. I cancel this 1 into 2, 1 into 2. The simplification is given as, first of all I cancel the denominators. So next, the numerator value is just 3 into 2, okay? This 3 into 2. The denominator value, 7 into 6. 2 3s are 6. So we cancel. So P of x is equal to 0, or we say it is f of 0 in any one manner. P of x is equal to 0 or f of 0. That value is 1 by 7. So first probability value is over. Next, P of x is equal to 1. That is probability of getting 1 red ball. Is understood 1 red ball means one is a red ball and another one is a black balls. So P of x is equal to 1 is equal to, what is the value of the numerator? We assume 1 will come the red ball out of 4 red balls. So 4C1 into, but we will be taking 2 balls. One is red means the another one is black is understood out of 3 black ball, 1 will come. So 4C1. 4C1 into 3C1. The denominator is same. Sample piece. Out of 7 will be taken. So 7C2. What is the value of 4C1? 4. 3C1? 3. By 7 into 6 by 1 into 2. The simplification is your choice. We simplify any manner. Actually, the denominator goes to the numerator. In denominator, what denominator is there? So this one goes to the numerator. So it becomes already 4 into 3, 1 into 2 by 7 into 6. 3 to 7, 6. So P of x is equal to 1. Value is 4 by 7. So P of x is equal to 1 value is also over. The value is 4 by 7. Next to find the value of P of x is equal to 2. That meaning is probability of getting 2 red balls. So P of x is equal to 2 is equal to, we assume both the ball is red out of 4 red balls. 4C2 into 3C0. What is the reason to write 3C0? We will be taking both the balls red, so the black ball will not come. So 3C0 by 7C2. The value of 4C2, 4 into 3 by 1 into 2. The value of 3C0 is 1 by 7C2, 7 into 6 by 1 into 2. I cancelled here 1 into 2, 1 into 2. What is the remaining? 4 into 3 by 7 by 6. So P of x is equal to 2 is 4 into 3 divided by 7 into 6. In that table I cancel 1 time, 2 times. In second table also is cancelled. So P of x is equal to 2. That value is, the value of the numerator is just 2. 2 ones are 2. By the denominator is 7. So P of x is equal to 7. So to find all probability value of the random variable values. Therefore next we form a table. The name of the table is the probability mass function. Just we form a 2 rows. The first row is the values of x and the second row is the value of the probability values. Capital X is equal to small letter x is the f of x, or P of capital X is equal to small letter x. The values of x is, there will be 3 values. The values are 0, 1 and 2. We already find that probability value. When x is equal to 0, P of x is equal to 0. That value is 1 by 7. When x is equal to 1, whose probability value is 4 by 7. When x is equal to 2, whose probability value is 2 by 7. How to check our answer is correct or not? It's a probability mass function. So to add all probability, suppose it comes exact 1, our answer is correct. You see, the denominator is 7. You add the numerator, 1 plus 4, 5. 5 plus 2, 7. 7 by 7. So the answer is correct. So the probability mass function is complete. Next to find the mean also. There will be 2 questions are given. One is a probability mass function and another one is a mean. It is a discrete random variable because the random variable has just 3 values. So next to find the mean. So here the formula of mean, E of x is equal to summation of x into f of x. It follows a discrete, so formula is summation. Summation means we multiply x into f of x. What is the first value of x? 0. Whose f of x probability value is 1 by 7 plus next value of x is 1 and whose probability value is 4 by 7 plus next value of x is 2 and whose probability value is 2 by 7. 0 to anything is always 0. 4 by 7 plus again 4 by 7. So 4 plus 4 whole divided by 7 is 8 by 7. So is nothing but a mean or E of x. So So the mean of this one is 8 by 7. Okay students, today we see some problem involving discrete and also continuous. The same model sum lies in exam also. We must try in our class note.